Man, that's gonna be you. That's gonna be you, my guy. Thank you. Switch with me, thank you. These are my 2 dark, right, Matty? Thank you, sir.
Front door open.
Oh, I screwed up. 4 pitas are grilled, not grilled. My bad. It's okay, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Don't worry, stay on your line, my guy. They're all yours. They're all yours.
Front door open.
Z, take these guys here. This order here wants the 3 pitas, not grilled, not cut. Where are you, my guy? You know what to do, right? Put them in the plastic bag down there. Here they are. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you, sir. And that plastic baggie. Thank you, sir. Edward, Scissorhands. Those are all yours, right? Thank you. Let me know when you got 2, right? I'm shopping for 2 right now, right?
Yeah, 150.
Thank you. And help this gentleman here. They should be all coming out very, very soon, right? 2 stick, 2 stick, 2 stick, 2 stick, 2 stick. Good job, guys. 2 chicken, thank you, lovely, thank you. Z, 2 chicken stick, walk with them. Far left, if you got it, far left, my guy. Right here, big guy, good job. Thank you, sir, good job, they look amazing. It's lovely, I have an order. Are you ready for that order? Thank you, madam. Two stick fries, madam. Door open, be careful behind you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. My guy, I'm shopping for 4 chicken sticks. 4 chicken sticks when you have them. Let me know.
Yep.
Thank you. It's a lot of Greek salads tonight, eh, lovely? Four chickens, Z-Man. 4 chicken is what I'm shopping for right now.
Four chicken ready.
4 chicken ready. You're gonna walk with all 4, my guy. Walk with all 4. Go visit by the grill first so you can get some lemon juice off it, and then walk all 4. Thank you, sir. Bang and bang. That's it. Excellent work. You're dropping one dark ski with what you're doing. One dark ski. Thank you. Matty, you dropped the dark ski? Thank you, sir. Matty, you got chicken in there?
Got 4 right now.
You got 4?
Yeah.
Walk with all 4, please.
Yeah.
Amazi, I'm good on the pitas, sir. Thank you. 2 and 2, same idea, my guy. Just let me know when you have the crazy dinner, Z-Man. Thank you. Open. Thank you. Good job, gentlemen. Matty, that pita's going to Amazi. Matty, oil up that grill. You're dropping 3 pork, 3 chicken. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
4 chicken what?
You're dropping 3. Oil up that grill nicely, my guy. You're dropping 3 chicken and 3 pork. Thank you. Open door again. Be careful. You got the crazy dinner, my guy? You have it? Awesome. Once you have it, walk with it, please. Thank you. Ms. Lovely, are you ready for an order? Thank you, madam. Thank you. Amazi, you're wrapping those? Thank you. Ms. Lovely, you don't have to write on that one. Behind you, see? Because the rice is written. Oh, you don't need any pitas because you already have them, right? It's all the ones that Amazi just wrapped. Thank you. Z-Man, you got that whole thing. You're walking with the whole thing. You're writing crazy dinner on that, my guy. Good job, everybody. There's your pitas for him, my guy.